Welcome to Mama Cooks Love. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my absolutely loved spaghetti dishes to eat. It's called Spaghetti al Limone, and I learned about it when I lived and trained in Sorrento in the Amalfi Coast as a chef. I'm so in love with this dish. It is very refreshing. It feels like aromatherapy and really delicious spaghetti at the same time. And what's the most amazing about it is that it's only few ingredients. And within, I don't know, the time that takes you to cook the spaghetti, your sauce is done and you're about ready to eat. We are going to need a box of spaghetti, 2 cups of Parmigiano-Reggiano, freshly grated, salt to taste, the juice and the zest of 1 lemon, and 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. To cook the spaghetti al limone, we're gonna salt the cooking water like it's the ocean. Make sure it's really nice and salty, always. And then we're just gonna drop the spaghetti. And in the time that it takes for the spaghetti to cook, we should be done making the sauce. All right, I have the juice of 1 lemon, the zest of that same lemon, 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and I have a little bit over 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I am not gonna use all of them. I'm gonna leave a little bit for the top on the spaghetti when I cook it. All right, right now it just looks like this yummy mix of olive oil, lemon juice, and Parmesan. But when we get it with the spaghetti cooking water or the pasta cooking water, everything is gonna come together really nicely, and I will emulsify it here. This is a little bit untraditional. They don't do that in Italy, but this is my own take. When I had my restaurant, I tried it both with my guests, and this was their favorite way. I'm going to reserve a cup of the pasta cooking water, drain the pasta, and we're gonna get cooking. Pasta is still actually cooking. I got a little bit over a cup of the cooking water. I am going to use it right here. I'm going to mix with it what we've just created. Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest. I wish you can smell that. It smells like I'm back in the Amalfi Coast. So delicious. And I'm just getting it together. So the pasta cooking water is the glue for everything to come together. I wish you could smell it. It's amazing. It's so aromatic and delicious. At this point, I'm gonna taste a little bit to see if it needs a little bit of salt. See? It's still a little bit brothy, but it will come together. The pasta will absorb it. Delicious. We're going to drain the pasta. The pasta is a little bit shy of al dente, so I can finish cooking it here. It's very important to leave it a little bit of shy of that al dente phase. It's getting nice and thick, creamy, velvety. Now, if you have a little bit too much sauce, take your pasta out and continue to reduce the sauce like I do. And when it's nice and creamy, velvety, I pour it over the pasta and I mix it with it before I serve it. Delicious. We're just going to continue to reduce this. See right now? We just want it a little bit thicker. Sauce is cooked to perfection. I am going to mix it with my spaghetti and add the cheese that I reserved earlier. Oh, friends, I wish you could be here to taste it. It is beyond delicious. So I just have a little bit of extra sauce. I'm gonna leave that. My daughter likes that on the side. She likes to dunk some bread in it. The cooking pasta water. Here we go. Moment of truth. I'm going to try it for you. I'm so happy right now. I feel like life is good. And when life gives you lemons, you make spaghetti al limone. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Love, light, and blessings. Thank you so much for watching.